Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Grammarly to MS Word. Just keep watching. Hello, my name is Mark, and you are watching the Office Master tutorial. Office Master is here to help you learn how to use Microsoft Office in quick and simple step-by-step tutorials. Grammarly is a writing assistant that helps you eliminate grammar and spelling errors in your written communication depending upon where you install it. You can use it in your browser to get corrections on emails, social media, or long documents, such as in this tutorial. You can use the free limited version of the app or upgrade to premium, where you can see more advanced options such as style or tone of the text you want to write. First, you need to download Grammarly on your computer. To do so, you must search for an installation link on the Grammarly website. Once you find it, you should click on Get the Add-on to download the free MS Office plugin on your computer. You can use the link in the description below, too. After it finishes downloading, click the file on the left of the bottom bar of your browser window. In the Welcome dialog box, you should select Get Started. Then you'll check the box next to Grammarly for Word and click the Install button in the bottom right corner. Select Finish once the installation ceases. Now open Word document, and on the Home tab, you'll click Open Grammarly. You must log in to your Grammarly account, so in the Browser tab that will appear on your computer, you should enter your username and password to log into your account. If you don't have a Grammarly account, you can easily create one using your email or Facebook account. Click the MS Word icon in the desktop taskbar, and Grammarly should be working right now. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.